A very pleasant and blessed morning to our respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends present over here. Today's morning assembly is being conducted by the students of class 8. Assembly is the heart of the school. It helps us begin the day with positivity, discipline, and inspiration. So let us start our beautiful morning with the blessings of the Almighty. So everyone, please join your hands, close your eyes, and start the morning prayer.
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती विश्वेश्वराया ब्रह्म विचार वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं अभयता जायान्तिकार्यापः हस्ते शारदा। शिव जी का मंत्र जप करेंगे। ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय।
Thank you. May God bless us all with the wisdom and the strength of the day. Now, I would like to call Sankalp Bhagil to share the thought of the day.
Hari Om, my name is Sankalp. I am from class 8. Today I am going to present thought. If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. I repeat my thought. If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. Thought. Hari Om.
Yes, indeed, if we give our best today, success will surely follow us tomorrow. Now, I would like to call Dev Pratap for a short and meaningful speech on the topic of the role of students in protecting the environment.
Hari Om, Principal Ma'am, teachers and dear students. Today I want to talk about the topic of affect us all. The role of students in protecting our environment. It's easy to think that environment protection is a job for adults. But we as a student have a powerful role to play through small everyday action like conserving water, reducing waste, recycle and planting trees. By embracing the habits, we can help create a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. Here are some ways we can make a difference right here at school and home. Conserve resource. Turn off the tap while brushing the teeth and washing your hands. If you have leftover water, your bottle at the end of the day, you are in the plant instead of down the drain. Reduce and recycle. So know the single-use plastic whenever possible. Use and reusable water bottles and lunch containers. Make sure separate your waste to so that paper, plastic and other recyclables can be proposed properly. Plant and nature part 2. Talk to friends and family about why protection environment is important You can even start an eco club to organize cleanup drives and other sustainability projects. We are responsible citizens encourage others to follow these parties. A simple act of picking up a piece of litter can make a big difference. Remember, every small action counts.
Now, I would like to call Kartiki Kumar for today's Gita Shlok.
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता यो न हनिष्यति न द्वेष्टि शुभाशुभ परित्यागी यो मत भक्त सो में प्रिय। और सुनेंगे, जो न कभी हर्षित होता है न द्वेष करता है, न शोक करता है न कामना करता है, तथा जो शुभ और अशुभ संपूर्ण कर्मों का त्यागी है, वह भक्त मुझको प्रिय है। हरिओम।
Anand to present today's word power.
Today's word power. Word integrity, meaning strong moral values. I repeat my word power. Word integrity, meaning strong moral values. Hariom.
Now, for increasing general knowledge, I ask some class-wise GK questions. Let's boost our knowledge with today's GK questions. GK questions, class 3rd to 5th. Question 1. Which organ pumps blood in our body? Correct answer is heart. Which pumps blood in our body? Name the fastest animal on earth.
The fastest animal on the earth.
सबसे तेज कौन भागता है?
The correct answer is cheetah. Which is the largest animal on land?
Land. हाँ, अब बताओ। What? और कोई?
The right answer is elephant, which is the largest animal on land. Last question. Who wrote the Ramayana?
लैंड की बात की थी। Who wrote the Ramayana? Class 3rd to 5th only. Anyone?
The correct answer is Maharshi Valmiki. GK questions for class 6 to 8. Who is known as the Missile Man of India?
As the Missile Man of India. Class 6 to 8. 5th class कोई बताएगा?
The correct answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Very good.
Who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Iron Man of India. पता है किसी को? Up to 12th. किसी को? हाँ.
Correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What is the study of earthquakes are called? Highest civilian award in every day. Now I would like to invite Pranav Kumar for some interesting facts.
Hariom. Interesting fact. First, a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. मतलब शुक्र ग्रह पर एक दिन एक साल से भी लंबा होता है। सेकंड, ऑक्टोपस हैज 3 हार्ट्स। ऑक्टोपस के पास 3 दिल होते हैं। बटरफ्लाई टेस्ट विद देयर फीट, मतलब तितलियां अपने पैरों से स्वाद लेती है। जिराफ नेक हैज द सेम नंबर ऑफ बोन एज द ह्यूमन। जिराफ की गर्दन में इंसान जितनी हड्डियां होती है। पेंगुइन कैन जंप अप टू 6 फीट हाई। पेंगुइन लगभग 6 फीट तक कूद सकती है। द सन इज 1.3 बिलियन टाइम बिगर देन अर्थ। सूरज पृथ्वी से 13 लाख गुना बड़ा है। स्पेस इज कम्प्लीटली साइलेंट। अंतरिक्ष में बिल्कुल शांति होती है, वहाँ आवाज नहीं फैलती। ह्यूमन बोन आर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन स्टील ऑफ द सेम वेट। इंसान की हड्डियां वजन के हिसाब से स्टील से भी मजबूत होती है।
Amazing facts. Knowledge always empowers us. Now get ready for the national pledge. I would like to invite Lakshmi.
Take flag position. India is my country. And all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and
Everyone's attention, stand straight for the national song.